Hello, it's Miss Heather, Autoharp teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, here today with
Berniece.
And we're going to do a practice video of Down in the Valley so Berniece can reference it when she's practicing at home.
Down in the valley, valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, love, hear the wind blow, hang your head over. Hear the wind blow. If you don't love me, love whom you please. Throw your arms round me, give my heart ease. Give my heart ease, dear. Give my heart ease. Throw your arms round me, give my heart ease. Roses of sunshine, violets love dew, angels in heaven know I love you. Know I love you, dear. Know I love you. Angels in heaven know I love you. Down in the valley, valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, love, hear the wind blow, hang your head over, hear the wind blow.
2 thumbs up for Down in the Valley. Good job.